This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jason Hickel. Welcome to your dream home in Tampa Shores, where boating enthusiasts will find their perfect match. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence offers exclusive access to a community boat ramp just steps from your backyard, delivering all the perks of waterfront living without the hefty maintenance costs.Step through the front door, where you're greeted by 2 bright, airy living spaces connected by an elegant dining area. The heart of the home features a well-designed galley kitchen, complete with solid surface countertops and modern appliances. 3 spacious bedrooms await, including a primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, while a tastefully remodeled guest bathroom serves the additional bedrooms.Outdoor living shines with a generous patio space and a covered cabana perfect for grilling and entertaining. The fully vinyl fenced backyard provides privacy and security, with convenient double gates for easy access. Boat and RV enthusiasts will appreciate the shell parking area along the side of the home, while a custom shed with electricity offers additional storage solutions. The community boat ramp, accessible through a residence-only locked gate approximately 40 feet from your property, puts you just 5 minutes from Tampa Bay's sparkling waters. Whether you're launching your boat, paddleboarding through the canal, or fishing from the dock, water activities are always at your fingertips. This hidden gem is nestled in a welcoming boating community with no HOA or deed restrictions, offering the flexibility for both short and long-term rental opportunities. Its prime location provides quick access to beaches, airport, schools, shopping, and dining options. The property boasts a newer roof, recently painted exterior, a re-sodded front yard, and an oversized paver driveway. Last but not least, an interior laundry room including washer, dryer, and water softener. This is a must-see. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace the Tampa lifestyle you've always dreamed of. For more information, review the details below.